Hey you guys, my name is Tariana. As you seen by today's title, girl, we're gonna get into this tea all about this natural glam look that I'm about to do for y'all. So right now, I'm currently about to get ready I'm currently about to get my things packed for this trip that I have.
can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Sweet for me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Sweet for me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Lord, nothing at all. Lord, nothing at all. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
Got a month of coke because the kid the coldest. I ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. Make the braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the roots on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us.
Thank you guys for taking your time out for watching this video. If you enjoyed this everyday makeup tutorial with me, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment below on any tips and tricks maybe I should try out for this video, y'all. And y'all stay blessed, y'all. Until next time, y'all. Peace.